Hello, my name is Sibonele Mchunu. I'm from Seda, Small Enterprise Development Agency, and agency of the Department of Small Business Development. It is important for us as an organization and agency to support small businesses, particularly from township, because in terms of population, townships are big in size and they have the majority of people who reside in townships. So it is very important that we support township-based businesses so that they can contribute toward the economy of our country, and also following what the NDP says when it says that by 2030 there has to be 11 million jobs created, and of those 11 million jobs created, they must come from small businesses. So as an agency, we are able to, we are then mandated to facilitate and ensure that we create a conducive environment for businesses, in particular in township, to flourish and prosper. So today we are here at Umlazi in Durban and at a tea event, and we are very excited to have small businesses under one roof, gathering information and also sharing their difficulties and their fortunes in as far as running their own businesses. And this is such a great initiative and that will enhance and improve the state of our ecosystem in as far as a small business is concerned. Thank you.